coming from the top. Y'all saw him come from the top. He come down there, oh boy, trying to stop him. No, man, you ain't finna let him get his ass whooped like that, man. From all y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. Y'all got like, he got on that ass. That's what's up. Good job. Jumping ain't nice, for real. I'm like, whoa! He put, man, it's like, much love to y'all, man. It's like, but man, if not, they would try to flip everything to own him, make it look like he was the bad guy, and he didn't do nothing but doing his job. No, they drunk ass. Hey, y'all know he got something on his ass. He had something for them, and y'all thought y'all gonna click on him. Nope. Nope. All that alcohol got y'all a rude awakening. Y'all thought y'all had some power. I don't know if y'all mad over the Trump shit, but no, you ramped up the wrong tree. You did. With that bullshit trying to jump on somebody. Man, golly. I boy threw his head up. Fuck that shit. It's going down. It's going down. And he got the connector. Yeah, he was looking for him. Oh boy, trying to get on that boat. They didn't want to take off. No, don't leave now. Don't leave now. When the hat went up, I already know we're gonna go viral. Viral. They both threw the head up. No, y'all got me messed up. They trying to pop off. Once he threw that head up, man, we had people come from left, right, north, south, east, and west ready to click with the old boy. That's why I said, you never know who got your back. Because the one right with you, they ready to run. And look at that. He was by himself doing the job. He had everybody had his back. Boy, I said, that's what's up. That's love. Everybody. They knew they wasn't right. Man, it's just the point. Everybody know everybody not in the right when somebody getting jumped. Nobody's in the right of jumping anybody. Anybody. So that's the whole point. Jumping is not cool, nice, none of that. That's letting people know. You click on somebody, you don't know who gonna come back and they're gonna bust your side with a bat or something. Cause the whole point, y'all taking advantage of a person, and that is not cool. And I'm glad somebody was there to help him. I mean, if not, they would have probably bust him in his head real good and threw him in that water, and he could have been unconscious under that water. I'm glad they helped him, and man, say it's good. Because they did a good job. Cause man, say if not, man, they would have slaughtered bro. They was already clicking on it. Nobody would have seen it, man. They probably would have beat him to a pulp. And as long as he would have laid there, one of them crazy ass boys would have pushed him in the water down there. Because he already came there with a super ninja kick like he one of the Ninja Turtles. I said, what the hell does he come from? I said, come on, man. Y'all doing too much. Karate Kid and shit. Yeah, that was some crazy shit. But yeah, you can't be doing that shit. They always come back to bite you in your butt and look at them. They all looking like they, man, no, sitting down there like y'all with Indian style looking stupid and shit. Nah, y'all wasn't gonna click on somebody. What you gonna? I want to see how they gonna try to get out of that one. I know old boy was on the wrong. He no good with the head with that truck, but shit, hey. Sometimes when you get a pit bull out, something you gotta hit him with a truck or something. Boom! Say, they want to get out, let loose. Throw some hot water on that dog. They gotta let loose. They weren't acting right. So hey, it is what it is. I don't condone no violence on nobody, but say jumping, you get everything come to you after you jump somebody. Somebody hit you in the head with a brick. That because you trying to jump somebody. That shit is not cool. Man, you trying to hurt somebody, man. I see one-on-one, cool. Hey, toe-to-toe. Get it in. But when you trying to jump somebody, the other person be stomping, the other person be punching. Y'all trying to hurt somebody. Period. Now, I'm glad somebody came to help brother man say, whoop, you did your good job, bro. Because hey, if not, they would have got you. Shit, old boy come swimming across the water on them boys. Shit, what y'all want to do? Shit, hold on, don't be doing kinfolk like that. Shit, he came there like Superman in the water. Shh. Aquaman. I said, damn. See, he threw them shoes out like, Showtime. Where they boat at? Pop, 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 pop. Say, it is what it is, man. Say, no, don't try to turn it around. They caused the violence this time. Ain't no trying to say it was, no. Y'all brought the pain.